Hello, good morning, ma'am, sir. Thank you for calling Stay On Hotel. This is Lloyd Tabuyo. How may I help you?
I would like to take a reservation.
And may I know your name, sir?
My name is Carl Anthony P. Castillo.
Anthony. Sir, may I repeat your name, sir? C stands for Charlie, and A stands for Alpha, and R stands for Romeo, and L stands for Lima.
Yes, very well.
Okay. And may I know your contact number, sir?
My contact number is 0991 686 and 6724.
May I repeat your number, sir? 0991 Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. And I know your email address, sir?
My email address is castillo@gmail.com.
And I know your address, sir?
My address is the Rapida Paritao, Nueva Vizcaya.
May I know your address?
I am from the Rapida Paritao, Nueva Vizcaya.
And may I know your arrival of check-in, sir?
My arrival is 1st of February.
And your check-out, sir?
And my checkout date is 4th day of February.
And how many guests are you?
Only one.
And what type of rooms are you?
I want in presidential room.
Residential, okay. And what kind of bed type, sir?
Can you repeat, please?
May I know your bed type, sir?
Oh, I would like a king size bed.
Size, okay.
Yes.
That's all, sir.
Yes, thank you.
So your room type, sir, is presidential room.
Yes.
Bed type is king size. This costs about 3,000 per night.
Yes.
And your check-in is first month of February, and your check-out is 4th of February. So that costs about 3,000 per night.
Yes.
And may I know, sir, what type of payment would you like, sir?
I would like to use my credit card.
And may I know your credit card number?
Oh, my credit card number is 1234 4321 1234 and 4321.
And may I know the card holder name?
The card holder name is Carl Castillo.
And may I know the 4 digit of your back card number, sir?
My back card number is 8888.
And any additional request, sir?
I have a request. Can I take a 2 extra pillow, 2 extra towel,
Very good, sir. 2 extra pillow and
2 extra towel?
2 extra. Sir, may I confirm your reservation? Your name is Carl Anthony Castillo. Your check-in is first month of February. Check-out for 4th month of February. Room type is residential room. Bed type is full size. And you would like to pay for credit. And your request is 2 extra pillow, 2 towels. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, very well. Nothing.
So, the total cost of your reservation so is 6,000.
Yes.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for calling Vizcaya Hotel. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, thank you.